Today, back in the shop with the G82, going to do something on this that really applies to any G8X, G87, G80, G82. It's a little bit funny to me actually, because for years we had ambers on cars like E36, E46, and we're gonna change them out to be clear corners. And well, BMW starts putting white and clear things on cars like these daytime running lights that are under the main headlights of the car. But today we're gonna make them yellow. So I'm gonna change the daytime running lights to a CSL style yellow setup using pretty simple little LED boards. Got our version of these that we're pretty excited about. The install's pretty straightforward, so we're gonna go through that. You know, these are Cree LEDs. An important piece of this also for an easy install is this 3M 8810 backing. That's a heat transfer tape, because these things get pretty hot. I need to transfer the heat into the heat sinks that you'll see in a second what they look like. But let's go ahead and dive in, pop the hood, get under this thing, show you what we got to do. Got to take a wheel off. 2 locations for these. The outboard, no, that's the inboard. Yeah, I got to take a wheel off. One of the heat sinks where the LED board mounts is on top, super easy to get to. The other one, you've got to get the wheel fender liner out of here to get access to it and just access it underneath. So pop the wheel off, get to it.
Wonder how much putting on and taking off wheel footage I've got of you over the last couple of weeks.
A lot. How many times have I mentioned this PowerFlex wheel pin mount tool?
A couple.
I won't go into detail on it today, but I am going to use it because I love it. And it helps protect these expensive rotors. All right, what do I need? I need a 10 mil socket to get this fender liner out of here. Missed one. Missed 3. Oh, did I miss another one? I sure did. Missed 4. Missed 4. I also don't know why I didn't raise the car. This would have been easier on my knees, but I'm here now. Next up, T20 Torx socket to get this heatsink off, which houses one of the LED boards. And by the way, I was joking earlier about the change where people are going from amber to clear, now clear to amber or yellow. I've been a part of amber gang for quite a bit. I actually like ambers, especially on like a black E36. That's choice. All right, those 2 screws are out. Just a little plug. I don't know if you want to come over here, get a shot of that.
Oh yeah, nice.
So just need to undo that plug. This is what we're replacing for step 1. I'm gonna take a little screwdriver and just kind of work this up. It's adhered, glued to the back of this thing, so pop that baby off. Oh, there we go. We got a little pop. Once you pop, you don't stop.
True.
Oops. I guess we got white, and now we got yellow. Pretty simple. Just gonna peel our blue backing off. We've got these little pins to line up everything. Do make sure you apply some pressure down on these and clean the surface behind this board before you apply it so that you get maximum adhesion. Don't want these things falling off.
That's on there.
It's going to see a lot more vibration and abuse than that, and heat. But that's step 1 of a test. And now, let's throw it back in. Moving to the top. Same principle. Unplug her. So same deal, except this time I actually have a little spot that I can start to pry off with this thing, so maybe I can get this off a little bit easier.
Nice. Oop, there it goes.
There's that one. Due to the plug positioning, these on the top are actually side specific and do have an L or R on them. So L, we are doing the left side right now. Pretty easy to know how you're going to align this thing because it can really only go one way. And you just put it into that corner to start with, lean it up against the stops, and apply your pressure down. All right, because I'm a sucker for a good comparison, we still have the other side as the white. These should now be yellow, I hope. Let's turn them on and see what it looks like. Oh, yeah. Yeah, see, that just looks mean. That gives it like this intimidating, aggressive, pretty awesome look. There's no doubt that the white is clean. It certainly looks good. These yellows look awesome. Especially against the gold wheels we got on this thing, this blue with the contrast. That's amazing. So let's get the other side done to complete the look. Oh yeah, that looks good. Weird, it's almost like it should have come like that from the factory. Oh, it did on the CSLs. That's hot. Put this side back together, put it on the ground. That is a super quick, pretty easy. I mean, you saw it, that was relatively simple to knock out. Anyone with a couple hand tools can do it and really improve the look. I mean, it looks aggressive. I think it looks awesome. To really improve the look of your G87, G80, or G82. Check them out at BimmerWorld.com.
Ready to go?
Should be an awesome race weekend.
We are ready to kill it this year.
It's good.
It's going to be a wild ride.